guys, I am starting my YouTube channel. It's going to be fun. The name is going to be Slay by Ebony. Please, guys, hit the notification button on Instagram because when I upload my first YouTube tutorial, I'm going to make an announcement on Instagram and I don't want you to miss it. When I make the announcement, I want you to head on over to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and just have fun with me. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be sharing makeup. I'm going to be sharing my skincare routines, my hair care routines. You guys, if it hadn't been for you, I'll still be contemplating on whether I want to do this YouTube channel. And you guys pushed me to do this. And I'm so excited to finally bring this to you. Please stay with me. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.